Welcome to Acer Rider. In today's video, we take a closer look at the Bajaj Dominar 400, a bike that has redefined touring motorcycles in India. Known for its blend of power, comfort, and affordability, the Dominar 400 is a dream machine for every biking enthusiast. Let's dive into what makes this sports tourer a standout choice in its segment. Powerful engine performance. At the heart of the Dominar 400 is a robust 373.3cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. Borrowed from KTM's Duke 390, this powertrain delivers 40 PS of power and 35 Nm of torque. Bajaj has fine-tuned this engine to offer a smoother and more relaxed ride, perfect for touring enthusiasts. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling winding roads, Bajaj has fine-tuned this engine for thrilling, smooth, and windless drift. Bold and aggressive design. The Dominar 400's design is an instant head-turner. Its muscular fuel tank, full LED headlamps, and sculpted body lines give it a bold, aggressive stance. The twin-barrel exhaust not only looks stylish but also produces a deep, throaty exhaust note that enhances the bike's appeal. Add to that the comfortable split seats, which ensure that both rider and pillion can enjoy long journeys in comfort. Touring-ready features. Bajaj has equipped the Dominar 400 with features that make it a perfect touring companion. The bike comes with USD, upside-down, front forks for improved handling, a slipper clutch for seamless gear shifts, and dual-channel ABS for enhanced braking safety. Its long wheelbase and relaxed seating posture ensure stability and comfort, even on extended rides. Technology and instrumentation. The Dominar 400 boasts a fully digital instrument cluster that provides all the essential information at a glance. Additionally, it features a secondary display on the fuel tank for quick reference during rides. These thoughtful additions, combined with its smartphone-friendly USB charging port, make the Dominar 400 a tech-savvy bike. Affordable sports tourer. What truly sets the Dominar 400 apart is its pricing. With an ex-showroom price of approximately 1 million to 2 million rubles, it offers unbeatable value for its segment. Riders get the performance of a premium sports bike without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the Bajaj Dominar 400 is more than just a motorcycle. It's a statement. A bike built for adventure, speed, and style, it caters to both weekend warriors and seasoned tourers alike. If you're looking for a machine that delivers performance, comfort, and affordability, the Dominar 400 is your perfect match. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Acer Rider for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest motorcycles. See you in the next video.